Welcome to Auction version 4, the latest event management software from Auction Systems. In this tutorial, I will explain the project information screen. This is the main screen you see each time you open the project. On the upper left of this screen, under the taskbar, is information about the project itself, such as the project name and the location where you have saved the project. When you install Auction on your computer, an Auction folder was created in the Public Documents folder on the C drive of your computer. However, you can choose to store a project in a different location. A project is made up of several files, and all these files are stored in the same location. If any of these files are removed or damaged, the project will not open. Below the File Location window is a series of panels that can each be opened to show specific statistics about the project. Every time you enter new information, these statistic panels are updated. This tutorial is an overview of the type of information shown in each panel. To see how to enter information to update these panels, please see specific tutorials for each type of data entry. To open a panel, simply move your mouse to the panel and click. This is an Open Name Information panel. There is information about the total number of name records and how many of those name records are marked as invitee, donor, bidder, and/or volunteer. There is also information about participation. This is basically RSVP information. And to close a panel, simply click the up arrow in the lower right. This is the Item Information panel. At the top we see how many total item records there are. Then we see what type of items they are, such as silent, live, bidboard, retail, etc. And at the bottom we see how those items are allocated in the project. This is the Cash and In-Kind Gifts panel. Perhaps someone has made a cash donation to your event or donated a service. You can track those types of donations in version 4, and this panel lets you know those totals. The next panel is the Transaction Information panel. Transactions are ticket purchases made by your guests or made by your organization, as well as payments received thus far from your guests or payments made by your organization. The lower window shows total item purchases of any item type. And the final panel is Expense Information. Version 4 allows you to track expenses, and this panel tells you the total dollar value of all the expenses thus far. Please see our tutorials for specific topics. Thank you for joining us.